My name is Leroy. I've been playing drums for 24 years now, give or take, when you first start. Anyway, I've played in many bands, from rock to blues to country to classic country to classic rock. Currently, I'm in a band called Outlaw Country Express. The two songs that I will be doing for you today are Working Man Blues by Merle Haggard and You Ain't Woman Enough to Take My Man by Patsy Cline. Some of the things that I love about the Collision Drumsticks is their packaging. I mean, when I got these things in the mail, I was not sure what I was in for, but these things were so well packed. I mean, the care, everything about the way they came in the mail set a precedence of we're quality brand. Second thing I like about the Collision Drumsticks, see if I can take these off. Yay! I can, but oh my god! There we go. All right, got it off. Anyway, is the quality of how the stick feels in my hand, of the balance, and of how when I can just lay it out with my two fingers, and the quality how it feels in your hands when you're playing is like no other. Third thing I like about Collision Drumsticks is the cool design they have on the outside. I like the little arrow. These are the 5AR pair, which are the reach pair, which gives you a couple extra inches of reach for playing. I've been currently using these every time I play. As you can see, I've custom engraved my name on them so I can give them away to anybody at any gig at any time, so I can promote your brand of Collision Drumsticks. But the way they feel and they play are incredible. The quality, I've actually blown away by the fact that they're so good. I've played a lot of sticks before in my entire life. I've had ProMark, I've had the generic ones, I've had, so many pairs of sticks I can't even think of all the different brands I've tried. But of all the brands I've ever tried, these by far are the best quality. The weightedness of them, of how they balance in your hand when you play, the design, the graphics, everything about this stick says we're quality, and they play quality. So if you haven't bought a pair of these, I would totally recommend buying a set of the 5AR Collision Drumsticks. They are awesome. Anyway, enjoy the next two songs of Working Man Blues by Merle Haggard and You Ain't Woman Enough to Take My Man by Patsy Cline. Thank you, and have a good day.